AREB stock analysis. This is tomorrow, Wednesday and onwards. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. First of all, American Rebel Holdings is absolutely being cooked from a broader picture. When I look at the macro chart here, I'm just pulled back and I'm like, whoa. All right. Yeah, we also recently had like a reverse split. Doesn't change the fact that it's still freaking being cooked. Those were my previous drawings, and to be very fair, not much has changed. This is still the low, still the supply. Still, if there is a shift, might as well be like a short sell. But what I'm not going to do is randomly short sell, you know. So see you in the next one. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce. I'm also really curious to see if I have anything AREB here. Not necessarily, which is fair. See you in the next one.